Hey guys, I'm Tarmo from Wisefab, and I'm here with something totally new. This is the sway bar for BMW E90-ish and E80-ish BMW. So basically 3rd series and 1 series. And yeah, this is a proper racing sway bar with adjustable blades. It will fit more or less your original position. Like those 2 pickup points are where the original sway bar is mounted. And the 3rd one gives way more rigidity for this sway bar, and this one goes under the lower control arm. On the softest position, where the blades are parallel with the control arm, this sway bar is already 150–160% stiffer than the OEM BMW one. And when you adjust the blade to vertical position, it actually gets 300% more rigid than the OEM sway bar. So depending on the track layout, depending on your driver's preference and so on, you can always find the good position for the sway bar. The product comes as it's seen here on the table or as it's seen on the car. So it has the sway bar itself, the adjustable blades, the pickup links to the control arm. It also comes with welding brackets that you can attach to the lower control arm. And yeah, the newer lower control arms for E90, E80 angle kits, those will already have the pickup points, so you don't have to weld in anything. But yeah, for those who already have Wisefab, who don't have a specific place where to mount the sway bar, it comes with a bracket, so you really don't have to worry. Adjustment is super easy, just by one bolt. It has a conical area here. It's really stiff, really rigid. We are using the big bearings here, and everything moves as smoothly as possible. The blade goes over the tie rod, and there is plenty of clearance for using this product with Wisefab angle kit, meaning that if you have more than 65 degrees, you're on a full lock, there is still no interference between the sway bar, control arm, knuckle, tire, anything like that. And there is one important thing to mention about this sway bar, namely it works with BMW E90 and 1 Series hydraulic steering rack. Unfortunately, this setup is not working with electric steering rack that we are sometimes recommending to drivers and teams to use, just because the electric rack is so big and clumsy that there is not enough clearance for that kind of product. So yeah, as most people know, when you're adding the front sway bar or you're attaching it to your control arms or to the knuckle, then you're making your front end stiffer. However, making the front end stiffer adds grip to the rear. Basically, adding the front sway bar allows you to add or adjust the grip in the rear. Adding the rear sway bar will allow you to adjust the grip in the front. That's something that often people don't know or they underestimate when making those decisions. And yeah, in the near future we are also coming up with a rear solution for Beamer, and we are already working on other chassis. Thank you very much, take care, see you soon.